Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Motorola Moto G6. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume down button and power button for 3 seconds. Okay, let's try. First, hold the volume down button and the power button for 3 seconds and release. The hard reset screen will appear. On this screen, use the volume down button to scroll to recovery and press the power button to select. Now wait for the Android to appear. Do you have old devices not being used at home? Trade them in for cash at swapsmart.com. It's quick and easy. Once the Android appears, hold the power button and then press the volume up button to bring up the Android recovery menu. Use the volume down button to navigate to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press the power button to select. Navigate to Yes by pressing the volume down button and Confirm by pressing the power button. Now, navigate to User Data and Personalized Content by pressing the volume down button and Confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.